Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to transfer BTC or USDT or any cryptocurrency across exchange. So let's get right into it. So right now, I have Binance open up and I want to transfer from Binance to, my newly opened up account, Bybit, for example. So let's see, how much I can transfer and how to transfer, right? Crypto across exchange. So all you have to do, go to your Binance, right? Then you go to your assets. When you go to your assets, you go to press down here. Let's see, press spots. And then I want to press withdraw, right? You want to withdraw Bitcoin out from Binance. So if you want to withdraw Bitcoin out from Binance, and then we want to deposit in, right? Crypto deposit. Want to deposit Bitcoin to my Bybit. So let's see how I want to deposit. So all I have to do is click buy crypto, deposit crypto, choose Bitcoin, and choose the chain that I want to deposit. Of course, there's only one chain, which is BTC change. And then I acknowledge it. I copy this, right? This is my BTC address. Right, copy it. Minimum deposit amount. This is my minimum deposit amount. I have to deposit more than that. So all I have to do is press here, paste it, maximum, on transfer maximum, and this is my fees. So I'm gonna withdraw. So after you transfer, you can go to your assets and you can go to your funding account. You will see your Bitcoin showing up right here. So if you transfer USDT, you'll see your USDT here. So this is how you transfer, across exchange, right? Transfer crypto across exchange, right? So now that you know, go out there, transfer your USDT or Bitcoin to Bybit and start trading, right? Bybit is one of the best exchange out there. So yeah, right? I'll see you in the next video. Peace.